And the pollution in the national capital is turning out to be an absolute nightmare for the residents. This is not the first time. Year after year, we are just reporting the same story without any solution in sight. Hospitals are now recording a spike in cases of breathlessness amongst healthy individuals. People with asthmatic conditions are now advised to stay indoors. India Today's Sneha Mordani brings you this worrying report from the national capital.
The Supreme Court is shocked and is wondering if a lockdown is needed. The Delhi government is considering a shutdown. The centre is going into a huddle. The reason is this: the smog screen over Delhi. And the ramifications on health are there for everyone to see. Hospitals are recording an increase in cases of breathlessness and low oxygen levels in young, healthy individuals. In Dwarka's Akash Hospital, a 30-year-old man with no previous history of asthma and a non-smoker has now been hospitalized with severe asthma. This evidently is a direct fallout of the air we breathe.
Probably the poor air quality was the trigger factor, as his breath showed increased amount of nitric oxide, which usually happens in those patients who have allergic airway and has inflammation which is driven by eosinophil.
Eosinophilic asthma leads to inflammation of the entire respiratory system. There has been a significant rise in flare-up or acute attack of asthma cases in Delhi, especially after Diwali. Doctors say COVID and flu vaccination can help avoid the risk of breathing issues and respiratory infections because of polluted air. Asthmatic patients are advised to stay indoors as much as possible. Doctors in Delhi are reporting patients who are having health complications related directly to air pollution.
There's a really rise of pollution, and it is at a very poor quality index all over Delhi. There is definitely a relationship between the rising pollution and the worsening of respiratory condition in patients in Delhi and around NCR.
A survey done by local circles shows that percentage of Delhi NCR families who have visited a doctor or a hospital because of a pollution ailment has doubled from 22% to 44% within a week. 44% of citizens say they have someone in their family who has already visited a doctor or a hospital regarding an air pollution related ailment. 86% families in Delhi NCR have someone who is experiencing one or more ailments because of toxic air. Residents of Delhi NCR are currently split even about enforcing a 3-day complete lockdown to reduce air pollution. Delhi's air is not just filthy, it is also deadly. Medical experts say that even the young and healthy are reporting serious complications. One can well imagine what the kind of long-term impact there would be on the vulnerable population, like younger children, pregnant women or senior citizens. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.